this particular book grew out of something at the Council on Foreign Relations in New York. And Harvard only played a very indirect role in the sense that one of my colleagues, Arthur Schlesinger Jr., and I were debating about nuclear strategy in the way amateurs do. I didn't know anything much about it. But I wrote him my observations, and he sent them to Foreign Affairs. And Foreign Affairs published them, and on the basis of that I was asked to be study director of a study of a group of very senior people. And that produced this book, Nuclear Weapons and Foreign Policy, then, which became sort of a standard work. The philosophy of that book was what is now fairly commonplace, but in those days the official policy of the United States was massive retaliation, which was that no matter how a war started, we would respond with the massive use of nuclear weapons. And I took the position that this was not possible as the national strategy of a democracy, that the loss of human life was too vast, and that in the end we would paralyze ourselves by adopting such a strategy, because we would never wish to carry out what the principle of our strategy was, and that we would be blackmailing ourselves. And if we didn't, we would be doing something that would produce such consequences that the world would never be the same. And that became more or less the adopted doctrine, and as the decades went by. But in the 50s, it was relatively new.